Join us on www.celebrateuganda.com and celebrate the power of Africa with us.
Good day. My name is Barbara Ngabo, and I'm here to present to you an organization called Sweden Uganda Empowerment Team. This is an organization that was formed to connect people, to network people from Sweden to Uganda and vice versa.
For those of you watching us right about now, it's all about conscious lifestyle. Here with you, this is Apostle aka Ngabo Flimpoman. I'm in Butalango right now. As you know, conscious lifestyle alongside with the YHVH, YHVH Design Construction with Celebrate Uganda. We are in Uganda right now in a place called Nakaseke, doing a lot of community development.
What we do is we empower people in Uganda and local communities, people in need, people living in poverty, and people living without human basic needs.
You know, P2 and P3. Okay, Annie.
This is an organization that's established, formed, and incorporated in Stockholm, Sweden. Our main target and aim is to empower local communities in Uganda. We are located in a town called Nakaseke. It's a district, Nakaseke Butalangu town. This is a poverty-stricken town where we are doing and running different projects. Among the things that we're running in this district is a self-help group called All for One and One for All. This is a self-help group for the community members, where different people come with different talents and qualifications. We motivate them, we encourage them and empower them. We connect them to the society that we have here in Sweden, and also empower what they are doing so that it becomes profitable to the community and also adds on the community work that we're doing in Mtalangu. A good example that we have is we connected one of our best entertainment artists, Flimpoman Ngabo from Stockholm, Sweden, and we connected to artists like Mr. Ofa Kayira in Uganda.
Oh, Jah, all I can see, loving one another, can bridge the gap between the rich and the forgotten.
Children are crying, oh gosh, who's gonna save them from the pain they feel? When I look out the streets at night in the dark, what I see is appalling. The people they must suffer. Who's gonna save them from the pain they feel?
Mr. Ofa Kayira, who runs a recording studio and runs a shoemaking factory in Uganda, Kampala. The shoemaking factory in Uganda employs almost 90 to 100 women that were otherwise jobless and had no income.
Woman living in the ghetto, morning to sundown, working so hard.
Okay, after sketching, she does what?
After sketching, I give her some of the materials. She goes at her home place because she's married.
All right.
And some of them are not allowed to leave their home. So they come, pick the materials, they go and work at their home.
Okay.
So they work at their home, they come back, they bring this.
Okay, show it to the camera.
They bring these flowers after making them, and I pay them a little amount of money.
All right.
They come up with this.
Okay. And where does that small portion go? Where does that end up?
After making this, I cut it like this. I have some of my boys who help me around. The other one, I cut it. After I join it with this goat skin, and then I come up with this.
Wow.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful.
We are running a community radio to help voice the people in need.
Zanyo ene voice of Butalangu mujeba liko jonna je mutusizako engalo. Essaawa zino essaawa ziri mwenda.
Everywhere they're dying, the innocent are dying and their mothers are crying.
The children are crying, oh gosh, who's gonna save them from the pain they feel?
This is a platform where you can invest in life, you can change life, you can better your life and somebody else out there. Join us in this endeavor so that we can make a better world to live in.
We need some love, unity and peace.
You can contact us in our contact details below. You can phone or email us on the details on your screen. Thank you so much for the time spent here, and I'll be joining you again or leaving you some more messages about the suite. This is Sweden Uganda Empowerment Team in Stockholm, Sweden.